In exactly 6 months, you can be a version of yourself that no one recognizes. But to get there, you must be willing to do what 99% of people find impossible. You must disappear. The Stoics called this the Inner Citadel. It is a place of mental strength where the opinions of the world cannot reach you. Most people spend their lives chasing likes, seeking approval, and staying stuck in the same cycles. But not you. If you are watching this, you are ready to enter ghost mode. This isn't about running away. It is about shutting out the noise so you can finally hear your own potential. The first step to rebuilding is destruction. You must kill the version of yourself that craves attention. Epictetus once said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." Stop posting your every move on social media. Stop telling people your big plans. When you disappear, you stop performing for others. You start working for yourself. This silence creates a vacuum where true focus is born. In this stage, your only goal is to observe your weaknesses without making excuses for them. A Stoic knows that the mind cannot be strong if the body is weak. While you are in ghost mode, your physical discipline becomes your anchor. This doesn't mean just going to the gym. It means doing things you hate until you no longer fear them. Cold showers, waking up at 4 a.m., or pushing through that extra mile when your legs scream for you to stop. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself every morning that he was a human being who had work to do. You are not a slave to your comfort. You are the master of your actions. Isolation is a double-edged sword. It can destroy you, or it can create you. During these 6 months, be ruthless with your circle. If a friendship does not add value to your soul, let it go. If an environment breeds laziness, leave it. Use this time to read the books you have ignored, to learn the skills you have postponed, and to meditate on your purpose. Seneca said, "Life is long if you know how to use it." In ghost mode, you stop spending time and start investing it. When you finally emerge after 6 months, you won't need to tell people you have changed. Your presence will do it for you. Your eyes will have a focus they never had before. Your voice will have a weight it never carried. Remember, the sun is most powerful after a period of darkness. Go dark. Work in silence, and let your success be your only noise. If you are ready to commit to this journey, type "I am ready" in the comments. Let's see who is truly prepared to rebuild.